All right. Sorry for the little shadow here. It's Washington County, Utah, so it's getting hot. I would like the shade for this little chat at the beginning. For those who watched my last video, thank you so much. Homefront Scenarios, thank you for the comments. Thank you for the subscription. You're awesome, dude. And your videos are great. Anyways, I wasn't sure what video to make next, so I was debating between, do we do a gear video or do we do a how does one start learning how to be part of a militia? And I think what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and make both videos and we're going to post them at the same time. That way it doesn't become one huge video, and for the guys who just want to watch a gear video, they can watch the gear video, and for those who want to watch a militia video and want to see my thought process for learning how to militia and being part of the militia, there will be that video for them. But first, we need to exercise a little, get some outdoor extracurricular work going. So we are here at the White Dome Nature Preserve. We're on their little Biotic Loop Trail. It's about 1.05 miles, so it's not huge. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and do that. Might take some videos just to share it all with you, and then we'll go back to my place to do the gear review and the militia video, just because, you know, it's Washington County, Utah. It's getting hot. It's not even noon yet. It's already in the mid-90s. So that's enough rambling. Let's get to it. Just so you know, the reason I'm doing a 1-mile trail is because if I do the filming for a 10-mile trail, I'd be hiking like 20 miles, carrying you guys back and forth. You meaning the camera. Anyways. Ooh. Quick gear moment. Any of you Boy Scouts out there might recognize these. This is mostly just a placeholder until I can get a appropriately shaped field mug. No one liked these in Boy Scouts. They're too shallow. That weird flare just means that everything sloshes out. I mean, watch this. See, half of it's in the dirt. But like I said, it's a placeholder. I can only buy bits and pieces at a time. Mostly because the missus would absolutely lose her mind if I just bought it all at once. Also, we live in a pretty cramped apartment. It's not like I've got oodles of space to put my gack anyways. I need to declutter. Alright, I'm gonna finish this canteen and then we'll get back to the hike. The next video might just be at the very end. I don't know if I'm gonna keep pausing to double back and forth and make videos. Ice is rambling. Ciao. Whew. Man. I'll tell you what, it gets hot here in southern Utah. Hope you can hear me over the AC. Trying to let all that AC goodness onto myself. Ooh. Don't mind the hair. Well, thanks for joining me. Excuse my English. It's only my first language. Thanks for joining me on my little walk. So I probably did closer to 1.25 miles with all that back and forth with the camera. Well, I'm gonna go home and shower because I am slick with sweat, and we'll get to the gear video and the militia learning video. I'm still not quite sure what to call it. I don't know, with the hike, this actually might be 3 videos today just to keep the video lengths down to a minimum. I know that a lot of you guys out there don't like long format videos. Some of you do, but you know, as a courtesy, I'll try to keep them short. This one's probably getting a little long as it is, and all you're doing is watching a fat guy sweat in the desert. So, whew. Anyways, I got nothing really fancy or profound to say, so I'm going to turn this off, and we'll pick this up later in one of the other 2 videos. Thanks for watching. Ciao. I hope someone out there is appreciating the effort I'm putting in for the cinematography of this bit. Oh. Oh. Look how sweaty I'm getting. It's hot. It's a real job. The guys out there, you guys who do YouTube for your living, mega props. Especially for when you were starting out and you were doing it all by yourself. I understand the guys with bigger YouTube channels, they have employees and they got people to do their editing and their videography and blah, 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 blah. But when you were just doing it all by yourself, solo, Good on you. Whew. All right. Anyways. Oh.